Well, it may be about 25 right now, but I'll tell you what, the folks at Rural King here in Bristol, Tennessee have certainly got spring in mind. These bad boys, I'm not familiar with the brand, but holy cow, look at this. We got the Zero Turn Avenger, the Zero Turn Magnum, and the Zero Turn Rambler. And these are all pretty nice. 42-inch deck on the Rambler, 54 on the Magnum, and 60 on the Avenger. All of these are professional grade, stamped, not stamped, welded decks on these. Nice heavy duty steel front on that. Tire size differs some. This one's got turf savers on it. The Magnum has a little more aggressive tread on it, as does the Rambler. Now this one here, Kohler 7000 Series Pro, that's a great engine, 26 horsepower. Looks like it's got a good muffler on it too. Now none of these have a rope system on there, so something to be aware of, but gas gauge, height controls, PTO engage, throttle, hour meter, and a key. Move down to this next smaller one here. Same controls basically on this. And I think the engine is a little bit smaller, 24 horsepower. But again, the Kohler 7000 Series, Kohler Pro on this one. So that one gets the 7000 Series. This one gets the midline series, and the Rambler looks like might have a Briggs. Let's go down there and take a look. Oh, is it cold today? Right. All of them are really nice, though. I'll tell you what. And you know, 35 for a 42-inch zero turn is not a terrible price in modern era. It's still a rip-off, but it's, you know, it's about the going rate. Yeah, this has got the Briggs EX 1900. And 19 horsepower, single cylinder, but about as big as you get for a single cylinder here. Probably not as fuel efficient as the Kohlers, but not bad. Belt layouts there. That one's got a smaller muffler, you can see over here. But the seats look good. Nice. And they've got plenty of them. I mean, plenty of them. Till next time, my friends. Take care.